Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make your own comfortable sleep mask. Download and print the included free pattern at the link in the description below. Use your pattern to cut out one piece of cotton fabric, one piece of flannel, and one piece of the cotton quilt batting. Measure the length of your elastic to comfortably fit around your head. On the cotton piece of fabric, align your elastic as indicated on the pattern and baste the elastic in place. Pin the excess of your elastic in place and in this order, layer your pieces. Cotton piece, right side facing up, cotton batting, and flannel, right side facing down. Pin the layers in place. Having the extra batting layer will make your DIY sleep mask super comfortable on your face when you wear it. Next on this sleep mask sewing tutorial, sew the layers together around the mask using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Make sure you leave an opening at the top as indicated on the pattern for turning the mask right side out in a later step. Cut notches out of the curves to make it easier to turn right side out. This keeps the edges from bunching up when you turn it. Turn the mask right side out. press the raw edges of the opening at the top inward. This will make it easier to sew the opening closed. Finally, the last step on the DIY sleep mask with free printable pattern sewing tutorial, top stitch around the mask using a 1/4 inch seam allowance to close up the opening. That's it! You can now get ready to enjoy your DIY sleep mask the next time you get ready for bed. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great sewing content. Thanks for watching.